That is an iPad Pro. It's the 11-inch iPad Pro. I did a video on it recently. I was like, is this thing worth the money? Laptop money? Jeez, these are expensive. Obviously, this thing is very powerful. Performance comparable to an actual laptop in something incredibly slim and light. I'm kind of using it. What? I didn't expect to be using this thing. I have so many laptops, all the laptops in my house right now, plugged in and charged. It's every MacBook. There's the Google Pixel Book. There's the old iPad. There's this iPad. It's too many choices. It's kind of crazy. Is this potential future reality in which people are just using iPads instead of laptops? Is that a real possibility? See, I've been traveling around YouTube, taking a look around, taking a little peek, checking out the other channels and so on. And a lot of people who covered this product, who did videos on this product, they had it directly in reference to laptops, myself included, because it's just in that price category now. It seemed evident to me that that was a question that a lot of you guys had. This question of, look, I'm gonna walk into the store here. I'm gonna walk into an Apple store or the website. I got $1,000 to spend. Am I really getting an iPad? Is that what's happening? Is this the future? I feel you. I feel you on that. Apple's marketing, of course, they went all out. They're like, this is it. This is what you want. It's crazy fast. They're right about that. It is very fast. You have a pen. You have this case. You can prop it up. You know, I've been doing it. Guys, I started living this life. Okay, look, I put it in there. Look at me. I started to live this life. It hasn't been very long. Maybe like a 24-hour, 48-hour period that I've been doing this. This morning, I'm doing email, okay? I'm inside here. I'm doing email two-handed. I'm swiping over here. I'm tapping over here. I'm like, who am I? What is this? There is something I like about this. I was sitting there. It's a tiny little footprint. I was having a moment, all right? With the pen and everything else. And I was like, maybe, just maybe, Apple has a point here. I know I don't say that very frequently, but it's possible that they might. Maybe it is the future. Maybe there's some sort of indication. Maybe this is the start. And I still believe at this point right now that for most people, a laptop is generally going to be a better bet. But that said, I feel like I'm the right person with all of the various devices available to me to do a bit of an experiment to see if this unit right here can replace a laptop for me over an extended period of time. So, I'm going to start that experiment right now. I am going to go laptop-less, computer-less, with the exception of this right here. If you want to call it a computer, I don't know if it is yet. I'm going to only use the iPad Pro, the pen, and the keyboard case as my main, only computing device. I'll still carry a smartphone as my main computing device. For how long? How long should I do it, guys? No, stop it, a year. How dare you? 2 weeks? No, I'm not gonna cheat. I will do it. I wanna see what happens to me as a human. Do I become Tim Cook? Is that what happens? I just transform into Tim Cook. I'll do 2 weeks. So we're gonna do 2 weeks. Starting now, I am switching over to nothing but an iPad Pro and a smartphone. No laptop, no computer. You gotta realize this is a bigger deal than it sounds. I had so many setups. Downstairs here in this building, I had with the lazy boy recliner and the giant monitors. No, can't use it. All the laptops laying around the house, can't use them. There's something so appealing about this display that it kind of makes you want to try this experiment because you do love looking at it and interacting with it. That said, I do have my hesitations. I am going to find out. So far, so good, but it's a short period. It's been like 24 hours. Immediate advantages, form factor. Look at that thing. What are you? You're a student? Are you in college? You carry this? Where's your backpack? Don't need it. I mean, you just seem like you got your stuff together. It's a refined little package. It's all happening right here. I will be touching this, the screen, with the touch input, because that's the only way you can input with the keyboard as well. But I will be touching this a lot. It's the iPad Pro 11-inch, and it's my new computing device for 2 weeks. I do this for you. I told you before. The experiment starts now. Is Tim Cook right? Is this the future of computing? Can it replace a laptop? What better way to find out? I'm quitting laptops. 2 weeks. Let's do it.